Morning children. Today we are going to learn about number system. Numbers are formed using 10 symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Numbers are formed using these 10 symbols. These 10 symbols are called digits. These 10 symbols are called digits. How to find the place value of a digit? Place value of a digit. To find the place value of a digit, we multiply the number, the place it occupies. We multiply the number, the place it occupies. For example, suppose we have to find the place value of 5. What is the place value of 5? The 5 is in ones, tens, hundreds. The 5 is in hundreds place. We multiply the number with 100. 5 into 100, 500. This is the place value of 5. Next, place value of 4. Here, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. The 4 is in 10,000 place. Then we have to multiply the given number with 10,000. 4 into 10,000, 40,000. This is about the place value. Once again I am repeating place value of a digit. To get the place value of a digit, we multiply the number, the place it occupies. We multiply the given number, the place it occupies. Next, what is the face value of a digit? How we find the face value of a digit? The face value of a digit is the digit itself. The face value of a digit is the digit itself. For example, eight lakh 25,697. We have to find the face value of 2. What is the face value of 2? The face value of 2 is 2. The face value of a number is the digit itself. Next, again say face value of 7 is equal to 7. The face value is the digit itself. Next one, expanded form of a number. Expanded form. Expanded form of a number. How we expand the given number? The expanded form of a number is sum of its place values. The expanded form of a number is sum of its place value. Example, suppose 5 crore 23 lakh 92,763. We have to expand this number. How we expand this number? According to its places, sum of its places. Here it is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Now 5 is in crores place, 5 crore. Plus 2 is in 10 lakhs place, 20 lakhs. Plus 3 is in lakhs place, 3 lakhs. Plus 9 is in 10,000 place, 90,000. Plus 2 is in thousands place, 2,000. Plus 7 is in hundreds place, 700. 6 is in tens place, 6 tens 60. 3 is in ones place, 3. The expanded form of a number is the sum of its place values. Expanded form of a number is the sum of its place value. Next one, successor of a number. Successor means the given number we add 1. We add 1 to the given number, we get the successor. Successor means after number. Successor means after number. How we get the successor of a number? To get the successor of a number, we add 1 to the given number. We add 1 to the given number. Suppose for example, 2,42,936. What is the successor for this number? Successor of 2,42,936. Successor means what we have to do? We have to add 1 to the given number. 2,42,936 plus 1 is equal to 2,42,937. Next, how we get the predecessor? Predecessor means before number, we subtract 1 from the given number. Predecessor of a number. Predecessor means before number, we have to subtract 1 from the given number. Subtract 1. Suppose for example, 8 crore 23 lakh 90,000. 90,000. For this number, we have to write the predecessor. Predecessor means we have to subtract 1 and before number. What is the before number for this? Predecessor of 8 lakh 23 lakh 90,000 minus, we have to subtract 1 from this number, minus 1. That means 8 crore 23 lakh 89,999. This is the predecessor of a number. Once again, I am repeating again this one. 0 to 9, these 10 symbols to form the numbers. These 10 symbols are called digits. Next one, place value of a digit. How we find the place value of a digit? To find the place value of a digit, we multiply the given number, the place it occupies. We multiply the given number, the place it occupies. Suppose what is the place value of 5? 5 is in hundreds place, then 5 into 100, 500. 4, next place value of 4 is in 10,000 place, 4 into 10,000, 40,000. Next, face value of a digit. The face value of a digit is the digit itself. The face value of a digit is the digit itself. Suppose for example, face value of 2. The digit itself. Face value is the digit itself. Place value is which place it occupies. It is called its place value. The digit itself is called face value. Next, face value of 7. Expanded form of a number. How we expand the number? We expand the number according to its place. Expanded form of a number is sum of its places. Expanded form of a number is sum of its places. Here 5 crore 23 lakh 92,763. How we expand this number? Based on its place values. 5 is in crores place, 5 crores, plus 2 is in 10 lakhs place, 20 lakhs, plus 3 is in lakhs place, 3 lakh, plus 9 is in 10,000 place, 90,000, 2 is in thousands place, 2,000, 7 is in hundreds place, 700, 6 is in tens place, 60, 3 is in ones place, 3. Next, successor of a number. How we get the successor? Successor means it is nothing but we have to write the after number. That means we have to add 1 to the given number, we get the successor of a number. We add 1 to the given number, we get the successor. Next, predecessor of a number. Predecessor means before number. We have to subtract 1 from the given number, we get the predecessor of a number. Okay children, let us do some more problems on these topics. What we have discussed before, we are doing some more problems on the topics. First one, write the expanded form of a number. Write the expanded form of a number. How to expand these numbers? You know already. You see the before videos. Before what I explained there, you see how to expand this one. First, what we have to do? First, we have to write the place values of the number. First, we have to write the place values of the number. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Next, write the successor of each number. How we find the successor? Successor means after number, and next we have to add the 1 to the given number. For this, 42,57,198. Here what is the number given? 42,57,198. For this, what we have to do? Add 1 for this number. We get the successor of the number. Next one, write the predecessor of each number. How we get the predecessor? Predecessor means before number. Predecessor means before number. We have to subtract 1 from the given number. We get the predecessor. Here 14,32,121. We have to subtract 1 from this number. We get the predecessor. Here you pause the video and you do these problems your own, and after that you check all these answers. Now see, 3 is in 10 lakhs place, 30 lakhs plus 1 is in lakhs place, 1 lakh, 2 is in 10,000s place, 2 10,000s, 20,000, 4 is in thousands place, 4 into 4,000s, 4,000. Here 0 is there. What is the place value of 0? Place value of 0 is 0. Then 0 into 100 also 0. 0 is in hundreds place, but 0 into we multiply any number, we get 0. That's why the place value of 0 is 0. Next, 5. 5 is in tens place, 50. Plus 6 is in ones place, 6. Again here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Next same, 1 is in 10 lakhs plus 10 lakhs. 2 is in lakhs place, 2 lakhs. Plus 1 is in 10,000s place, 1 into 10,000, 10,000. 2,000, 2 is in thousands place, 2,000. Plus 0. Again, what is the place value of 0? 0. Plus 1 is in tens place, 10. 2 is in ones place, 2. Next one, same. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Here 6 is in crores place, 6 crore plus 1 is in 10 lakhs place, 10 lakhs plus 7 is in lakhs place, 7 lakh plus 3 is in 10,000s place, 30,000. 8 is in thousands plus 8,000. Plus 1 is in hundreds plus 100. 2 is in tens plus 20. 5 is in ones plus 5. Next question. Write the successor of each number. Successor means what I said. We have to add 1 to the given number. Now 42,57,198. Add 1 to this number. We will get 42,57,199. Successor means we have to add 1 to that number. Next, 9,52,34,123. For this also we have to add 1. 9,52,34,123 plus 1. Same here. 9,52,34,000. Add 1 to this ones place digit. 123 plus 1, 124. Next, 5 crore, 12 lakh, 34,000. Add 1 to this number. Say 5 crore, 12 lakh, 34,001. Next question. What is the predecessor of the number? Predecessor means we have to write the before number. Before number, that means we have to subtract 1 from the given number. 14,32,121 minus 1. These 1 we have to subtract from the ones place digit 2. Now 1 minus 1 0. 14,32,120. Next, 35,14,000 minus 1. Here 0 we have to take the borrow from the before numbers. We will get the answer 35,13,999. 35,13,999. Next, 7 crore 86 lakh 506. 7 crore 86 lakh 506 minus 1. Same. 7 crore 86 lakh 505.